about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click on apps, come to apps list. Here in there you're looking for Clapper app, but just click on search, add here Clapper. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, come to next step here, click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here, then you search here for Clapper. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.